are from EQ Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Ms. Neha Mittal with us from Elexol. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you just brief about Elexol, like when it came into the solar industry and when it started?
We would say that as soon as the solar started booming in India, we are here since 8 years into business, and we are running under the brand name of Elexol. We are doing channel sales as well as institutional sales. We are also exporting under the same brand name.
So what are the innovations of Elexol and the projects being undertaken as well as the projects in pipeline?
Actually it's an ever-evolving industry. So now since 3 years we are seeing all-in-one solar street lights which have come into the market in a very big way. Earlier we had just Chinese manufacturers, but Elexol has pioneered into it, and we have been manufacturing it along with the circuit board and everything in our own factory. So I would say we are mostly promoting a Make in India initiative that is taken, and since 3 to 4 years we are doing mostly solar home lights and solar all-in-one street lights.
So may I know the products you have exhibited over here and it's about its technology as well?
Surely. We are a company which is doing multifarious products. We have solar home light systems, solar street lights, and we are also doing solar home lanterns. And solar panels are also there in our product portfolio, where we are executing solar farms for some schools and colleges, etc.
So what's your market share like from what you have supplied and installed in 2017 and 18, and what's the target for 2019?
We have already installed 20,000 solar all-in-one street lights, which is in India as well as in countries like Africa and Philippines, etc. And we are looking at a bigger target now of making at least 1,20,000 pieces a year. So that will be our target for next year probably.
So what are your international plans as well in terms of exporters?
We have our own export network, and we are looking at adding a few more clients to it. We actually believe in quality product. So what happens is we want to just focus on that and not on bulk marketing. Like I could easily say 5 lakhs, but I won't be doing that because we are mostly into customizing products for them and doing it in a very good way.
So what do you see, like what are the opportunities and the we find challenges in Indian solar market?
The opportunities are immense actually. Now since 5 years we are seeing that this government per se has been focusing more on solar industry, so and especially the Make in India initiative. So there were some duties earlier on levied on imports, etc. So that has become a good boost for us as an Indian company. We look forward at going further on with it. The challenges I think would be that there are still companies which feel that Chinese players are bigger and their quality of the product, but I would say that there is a lot of change now, so you can actually take a look at it and then decide for your own self.
As you know, the target has been set to 100 gigawatt by 2022. So do you think it will be achievable?
It is definitely achievable. We have bigger players in the market as well, so we are all boosted up to take care of it. Yes.
And as you know, the international brands are also coming up in India and setting up the manufacturing units. So how much suitable it will be for the Indian customers, as well as how much competition it will give to the Indian manufacturers?
I'm aware of some brands which are there, which are actually waiting for the Indian market to develop, and they'll get a set market and then they will launch their own products. But till then, I think Indian customers are smart enough. They know an Indian-based company will give them a better service because in terms of the output and everything, and plus the servicing of these things are very important at times. So for that you need a company which is there since a long time and knows the Indian market well.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you so much.